Now we will see the demo of our auto scaling with minimum 2 maximum 4 servers. So I have changed quite a bit of these auto scaling settings. So initially desired capacity is 1, min is 1, max is 1. Let us increase it to desired capacity of 2, minimum 2, maximum 4, and let us save it. And let us observe this board. We have saved this. Yeah, so now we have one more instance coming up because these two instances have to be there in the subnet A. This is in the subnet A and this one is also in the subnet A. So these two instances are configured to launch when this subnet 484. This is the subnet 484. So these two instances are configured because of this scaling group. Now if we are going to reduce the capacity, first let the instance at least launch. Okay, let us filter it out with instance state running or instance state pending. Okay. This instance gets added because of the auto scaling policy. Now if we are going to change the policy from minimum desired capacity as 4, minimum 4, maximum 8, and we are going to save this, and we will again watch the board. This is the previous instance only, it is still launching. These are the two instances. Right now they got launched. To make the meet the minimum number requirement, and these are all in the subnet of 484. This is in the subnet 484. This is in the subnet 484. 484. 484. So that means that they are all of the same launch configuration, and they are getting launched as per this policy. Now let us reduce the capacity. Let us make it 1, minimum 1, maximum 1, and save it. These are all running. Let us again keep a watch on the dashboard. And let us also add the state as stopping. Okay, they all have entered a different state. Stopped. So basically they got stopped because of the policy change, and we are getting notifications over here because we have the notification set into scaling policy. We have this particular policy that is getting executed, and because of that alarms are getting sent over here. 445, that is right now 447. Auto scaling group the capacity from 2 to 4. Capacity has increased from 2 to 4, so this notification arrived in the mailbox. Then there is another, because the capacity is reduced from 4 to 1. So these are the notifications that we are getting for this scaling policy. So this is because of the topic that has been set in CloudWatch, and SMS email notifications of the event are coming over here. So this is for 5 and 6. 7 we have already seen, and I have put the YouTube link, and further 8 we will see in the next video.